You guys, do you guys want to make rice that will leave your suegra, that means mother-in-law, or make her fall out of her chair, because it is amazing and it looks like you took forever to make it, but you made it in your rice maker. Come with me, let me show you. Do you like to make Mexican rice? Well, I love to make lazy Mexican rice. And recently I have rediscovered, and I'll say rediscovered because I purchased this gem about a year ago, and every time I would use it, I did not know how. So this is a really small rice cooker that I found on Amazon, and you can go to my Linktree to find it. I kept using it, and the rice was not cooking evenly, and I was feeling discouraged, and I just felt like my husband was like, there has to be a way that you can use it. So I finally discovered it, and so now we're gonna make the most amazing, delicious Mexican rice in under 15 minutes. So here I have my jasmine rice that I purchased at Costco, white jasmine rice, and I rinsed it and washed it, and it's been soaking in water for about 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. And the way that I measure it with the cup that it comes with. So when you open it, it comes with this, and it comes with the cup and a spoon. So I measured it with the cup that it comes with, and I'm only making 1 cup. So if you want to make more, you're welcome to do that. For your super easy Mexican rice, all you will need is the ingredients that you see here. So you'll need your rice cooker, and it'll be done in under 15 minutes. Your rice cooker with your 1 cup of washed rice. To this, you will be adding about a tablespoon of chopped cilantro if you'd like. And then we're going to season gently with your preferred seasoning. So I like to put a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of onion salt. Then from here, I also like to add my chicken consommé, the tomato one, and that's what's gonna give it that red color without any tomato sauce, you guys. You are gonna love this rice. So this is how much I'm adding, and you can add based on your preference. See, I'm adding, because this is what's gonna give it the color, right? And this is our lazy Mexican rice. So my friend the other day asked me that when I use chicken broth in my dishes, that if I strain it, and the answer is yes. So when you are using chicken broth, sometimes the fat or the excess part of the chicken rises to the top, and that part you strain so that you can have clean chicken broth. So in this recipe, we are going to use fresh chicken broth that we just made as our liquid for the rice to give it an extra richness. We're going to measure 2 cups. So I'm going to be really, that's 1 cup. Okay, so 2 cups and a little bit more of liquid. That's how much you need. We're going to give it a mix, and then we're going to close it. Here is the spoon it comes with. So now I'm going to give this a mix. Close it, and all I'm going to do, and I can even put it right here, you guys, you see that? All I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on, press steam, and add the timer for 14 minutes. And in 14 minutes, our rice is going to be done. Look, see? It's ready. I'm going to open it now for the big reveal. Look at that rice. I'm going to say gracias a ma y pa. That means thank you, Mom and Dad, for giving me jasmine rice. Doesn't it look amazing?